The Titan 3 from USCutter gives you a high-performance professional vinyl cutter for a much lower price than some of the bigger names in the industry. With its powerful and quiet servo motor, you can cut beautiful designs on all types of materials up to 36 mils thick, and this also includes some of the thicker sandblast mask stencil and window tint. That servo motor on the Titan 3 has a maximum downforce of 750 grams, and to hold everything into place, the Titan uses pinch rollers with the assistance of suction holes drilled next to the cutting strip, and that helps hold everything down while you're cutting. The Titan 3 also has the ARM system, and this allows you to cut around printed images from any printer with ease. It also can use a barcode scanning system to increase the accuracy of your cut and prevent any errors or waste from loading in the wrong job. Every Titan 3 comes with a 2-year warranty with an option to extend it and free lifetime customer and technical support for as long as you own the machine. We currently offer the Titan 3 in 4 sizes, and these range from a smaller tabletop model all the way up to a wide 68-inch machine, and these 68-inch machines are great when paired with any wide format printer. Included with every Titan 3 is software to run the machine, a 3-pack of Roland compatible blades, a blade holder, pen tool, a 3-pronged power cord, a USB cable to connect it to your Mac or PC. Now all the Titan 3s excluding the tabletop size will also come with an easy to assemble stand. The 28-inch and the 53-inch will have a stand that looks like this, and the 68-inch will have a stand with a single roller designed for 3-inch cores that are commonly used with print media. For more information, you can check out USCutter.com or call or email us directly using the information shown here on screen. For more information on the stand assembly, you can check out this video here, or you can go and see how to perform a cut around a printed image using the Titan 3 in this video here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.